Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a very interesting one. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this beautiful hair. But before I get into that, if you've not already, what are you waiting for? Please support me by liking, subscribing, and also share the video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this beautiful hairstyle. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this hairstyle that I'm absolutely loving. The great thing about this style is that anybody can make it. You can do it. It took me about 5 hours to do this hairstyle. I used 2 packs of Marley hair and you know the crochet braiding hair that I used to do, the spring twist. I used the 3 packs of the spring twist hair and then 2 packs of Marley hair to actually achieve this very beautiful style. And I love the way it turned out. I love the fact that it's bob. If you know me, you know I love bob. I don't like long hair, so I absolutely love this hair and I love the way it turned out. And you can style it in so many ways. I'm not gonna style it at the moment, but you can. I know I can do a lot of beautiful styles with this hair, and I'm gonna keep it on for a while. At least you can go on with this hair for up to 3-4 weeks very comfortably. You know, you can do 3-4 weeks with this hair. So guys, that's what it's gonna be for now. Now let's just get into the tutorial. So guys, I'm gonna first of all moisturize my hair. I'm gonna be applying my leave-in conditioner and my Jamaican castor oil. I'm also gonna apply this Dermatol hair cream, especially on my edges. Then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. So right here, I'm just going to section my hair into 4 equal parts. So I've decided to section my hair individually, as you guys can see. So when I section it, I apply my gel, my jam, and then I braid my hair. I do like the single braid. So once I'm done with it, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf and let it sit for like 30 minutes to let it dry. So I'll be using the soft and silky Marley hair, and I'm also going to be using the spring twist. I'll also be using this passion twist. It's from Toyotress, you know, that's where I got this passion twist from. So let me show you guys what the strand looks like. It's just like a normal regular passion twist. I'm gonna use 1 strand. I'm gonna try 1 strand and see how it works. If it works well, because I've not tried this hairstyle before, so if it works well, then I'll stick with 1 strand, but if it doesn't, I'll have to use 2. So this is the strand, the way it looks like. I'm just gonna fluff it out, you know, as much as I can. So this is my Marley hair. So the Marley hair, I'm going to loosen it out a little bit to hopefully get it to be, you know, fuller. I don't want it to be really... So guys, first of all, I'm going to crochet the Marley hair. After crocheting the Marley hair, I'm going to go ahead and crochet the spring twist hair. I ended up using just 1 strand of spring twist hair. So I'm going to make one part of the spring twist hair longer, way longer than the other part. The part that is longer is going to be the part I'm going to use to start wrapping round. So I'm gonna start wrapping around from the root. I'm gonna wrap it to be a little bit tight when I'm doing it from the root. Then after wrapping it to be a little bit tight, when I do like 5 wraps, I start wrapping it to be loose. After wrapping it around like 5 times from the beginning, now I'm gonna wrap it loosely. I'm gonna use my thumb, as you guys can see, to make sure I do it, wrap it to be loose, you know. And when I get to the end, I'm gonna tie the braids. Then after tying it, I'm gonna cut it with the scissors. So as you guys can see, I used the Marley hair to wrap it like 5 wraps from the root. Then when I get to an extent, I start wrapping it with the spring twist hair, and then I'm putting my thumb as well just to give it a more messy look. And then when I get to the bottom, then when I get to the length I want, I just tie it and cut it with the scissors.
walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to
Once I'm done with it, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my oil sheen. And then I'm gonna use my jam to slick my edges and then tie a scarf on it for like 5 minutes.
heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are
And then I'm gonna take off the scarf and style the hair, and that is pretty much what it's gonna be. You guys can see this hair is very beautiful. I absolutely love it, and you can keep it for a long time. That's just the great thing about this hair. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
ready to explore.